Hi everyone, I want to show you how to make your own sweater blocker out of PVC for a fraction of the cost. A quick Google search will show that sweater blockers can be quite pricey. I saw one for 150, but that was discontinued, and also one for 350. So let's just make our own. One thing to note is that mine is not freestanding, but you could buy a couple more fittings and pipe to do that if you want. I find it works just fine leaning against a wall when my sweaters are blocking. Here's a materials list. Costs may vary at your local hardware store. It's important to note too that I used furniture grade tees only because the edges are beveled and it makes sliding the sweaters on and off a little easier. For each side, you'll need everything pictured here: a 24-inch half-inch PVC pipe, two 30-inch 1 1/4 inch PVC pipes, one 36-inch 1 1/4 inch PVC pipe, and one coupling and three T's. To start with, at the base piece, we're going to install one coupling and one T, and on the upright, we'll put two T's. The arm won't have anything. Step one, we'll lay out the base, and then we'll install the upright so that there's a T at the very top. After that, we'll insert the arm straight through that T at the top of the upright. Here's what it looks like laying down after I've built the left side and the right side of the blocker. And here it is with the little sleeve inserts. Now let's talk about using the sweater blocker. I'm going to take a sweater and put one sleeve over each of the arms of the blocker. So we'll just feed the arms through the sleeves of the sweater, just like this, and put the body of the sweater over the end of the blocker and swing it open. Next, we'll just connect the two arms through the coupling at the top and connect the base at the bottom. We can adjust the uprights for whatever width your sweater needs to be in order to be blocked. I'm going to insert this little sleeve PVC pipe and move the T that is on the upright. I'm going to move it up into the sleeve of the sweater and make sure that the opening is facing outward so that the sleeve PVC pipe has something to sit in while the sweater is blocking. And again, you just measure and make sure that your sweater is at the right dimensions and adjust the uprights as needed. Once you're done blocking, to get the sweater off of the blocker, we'll just unhook the piece at the neck and at the base and fold it in half. Next, lift the body of the sweater over the end of the blocker and slide it off. And that's it.